The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Dr. Dayton Campbell, General Secretary of the People's National Party. I am calling on the Jamaica Labour Party to urgently clarify reports of a payment of $201,538 made to the Jamaica Labour Party by CEMEX, the parent company of Caribbean Cement Company. This payment was described in filings to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission as fees, and that raises serious questions. Let me be clear, CEMEX and its subsidiary have been good corporate citizens, contributing meaningfully to Jamaica's development. The PNP has no issue with legitimate political donations made in accordance with the law. However, a payment described as fees to the party in government implies compensation for services rendered. What services were provided by the Jamaica Labour Party? What was this payment in exchange for? The government must come clean with the Jamaican people and the investor community. Silence only deepens the perception that corruption has become the cost of doing business in Jamaica. The People's National Party stands firm in its call for transparency, accountability, and good governance. Jamaica deserves nothing less.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.